Alright, hey y'all, so,
Looking to revamp your
oh
kitchen?
my god, not this, but anyways, hey y'all, so, if y'all wanna, know how I get, really good in Cali Shootout, I'll show you the best way. Alright, so, first, y'all, have, in Roblox or stuff, go to, the shop icon, and there's a bunch of stuff up here that you can buy. I got some stuff already, and then there's some more stuff in my inventory, but put that up there. Let's get a car. And then, if y'all want, a really good game, one tap and all kinds of stuff like that, I'll show you where to get them. So,